I'm here with Eco-Sikh UK, and today we're having a nice little collaboration with Forestry England and Eco-Sikhs, planting trees, creating a project that's going to help the community and hopefully be carried through forward with more projects and more tree planting.
It's going to be one of a number of sites where tree planting and creating a number of One-ness groves with Eco-Sikhs. They're really keen to create a series of community spaces for reflection, for tree planting, connecting with volunteering, for mindfulness, and everyone is welcome, really inclusive spaces.
Ingrebourne Hill is a former quarry and a landfill site that we worked with in partnership with a company called Ingrebourne Valley Limited to restore this, to plant it and to open it to the public. It's a busy urban area, it's quite an industrial area as well, so this green space offers a real kind of respite from the business of day-to-day life. We're on public bus routes as well, so people from Hornchurch, Upminster, all around Havering and East London will come out here to cycle or to walk or to meet friends and to just enjoy getting closer to nature.
There's more to do in this planet than recycling or planted trees. There's other lifestyle issues like adapting your lifestyle at home or at work to use less energy and generally live a greener life.
It gives us an opportunity to access more diverse communities and make these really important links, which we know are so important if we really want to achieve forests for everyone.
The environment affects us all, the planet affects us all, it's our planet at the end of the day, and I think when it comes down to the environment, not all groups are involved or seen in the media as much, so I think it's really important to get everyone together, all the faiths, all the backgrounds, hear everyone's voices and hear what everybody has to say, because every community has their own perspective, and I think it's really important to listen to those, hear those and create some action based on those.